Okay, welcome. So a couple years ago I actually put up a video on my channel called Beef Ribs Cooked on the Stovetop. The most popular video as of right now with about 22,000 views. It's Memorial Day today, so I thought why not make some ribs. I went into the store to get pork ribs. They were mostly frozen, so I saw these beef ribs and they were fresh, so I said let me make the beef ribs. So first of all, went into Vons. I got 2.06 pounds of ribs at $3.99 a pound, so $8.22 for the ribs. I'm going to use this Stubbs Sweet Heat. Stubbs has a number of sauces, but I happen to like the Sweet Heat. The other one I like actually is this Sweet Baby Ray's, so I kind of alternate between using the Sweet Baby Ray's and the Stubbs Sweet Heat. I need a nice big pan here which has this hole in it. It's like a pressure cooker, which definitely helps to cook the ribs because I am going to cook them on the stovetop. If I cook them in the oven, they're going to take a lot longer. And you need some extra virgin olive oil to pour in the pan. I also cut up some onion. I just happen to like onion. You don't need this. I just happen to use it because otherwise I'm just going to have all meat and rice and no vegetables. So first of all, pour some of this extra virgin olive oil in the bottom of the pan. That's just to keep the ribs from sticking. I'm going to put it on high for the moment. You generally don't want to put meat into oil that's cold, so I'll just let it heat up for a little bit. Incidentally, if you do make your ribs on the grill, the mistake most people make with making either ribs or chicken on the grill is they just clean the ribs and then they just put them right on the grill, and what happens is the outside gets burnt and the inside doesn't get done. So better to boil your ribs for 20 or 30 minutes first and then put it on the grill, and it will come out much better. We learned the hard way making chicken years ago. Our chicken was always black on the outside and pink inside, so we used to boil it for 30 minutes and then it was fine after that. So okay, so I've got some oil in the bottom of the pan here. I'm going to turn this actually down to medium, and I'm just going to place some of these nice big ribs in there, and in a minute I'm going to cover them with sauce. This is actually really easy to do. People say, oh, cooking's hard. Believe me, cooking can be hard. You can get complicated with it, but there's so many dishes out there that you can make that are just so simple. This is going to cook in about 40 to 45 minutes, and believe me, it's going to be delicious. I make ribs all the time. That's one of my specialties. And I'm going to use, like I said before, this Stubbs Sweet Heat. So I'm just going to pour this Stubbs Sweet Heat on top of the ribs, and I'm going to use the whole jar. There's no sense having half a jar. It actually later when this comes out, I am going to make some white rice, and I'm going to use these onions as well. So you just want to get all of that. I tell you, the Stubbs Sweet Heat, I've used this many times. Delicious. And let's see, let's pour, I don't really need this much onions, but you know, when you buy an onion, they just tend to come in certain sizes, so I'm going to put the onions there to the side. And where's my wooden, I used to have wooden spoon. I've got this other thing, which is from the Food Network, which I like. It's a wooden spatula, and you just want to make sure that you're going to get sauce all over everything. Like I said, this is really easy to do. The majority of the preparation right now is done, and I'm just going to move that around a little bit. And in terms of my preparation, that's it. I'm just going to cover it. And once again, I've got this little hole in here for the pressure cooker, so it won't boil over or anything like that. So my anticipated cooking time is about 40 to 45 minutes. I will check it after 40 minutes, and I'm sure these ribs are going to be absolutely amazing. And when I'm done, I'll put up another video just showing you the finished product. Okay, this is John. Happy Memorial Day weekend, and thanks for watching.